Hey everybody, welcome back.
Hey,
Hey, there's Blueberry.
Hey, Joel, good morning.
Good morning. You know, I was just here checking out this cool sundial.
Ooh,
Look at that.
looks old.
It is. Yeah, this is actually a way that people used to tell time a long time ago.
Oh, like last year?
Like longer than that, many years ago.
Wow.
And the way they would do it is the sun would be hitting on this rod right here in the middle, and it would cast a shadow, and that would help them know, depending on where the shadow was, what time it was.
Well, what'd they do on a cloudy day?
Well, that's a good question, you know. Maybe there was enough sun to still come through, or maybe they didn't know what time it was.
Oh, how do you know what lunch is?
I don't know. Maybe they just had to go off their feel, and if it was hungry, or maybe they missed lunch. Oh dear.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I can't imagine that. Good thing we have these other ways to tell time.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Woo.
Okay. Yeah, like this digital clock here.
Oh, yeah, I've got one of those in my bunk.
Yeah, okay, so you know that the first number that we see as we're reading from left to right, of course, is telling us the hour of the time, right? So this one is saying 8. So that means it would be during the hour of 8, right? And then the minutes are on the other side, and so we can see exactly what time it is as we just read that. So this is saying right now, it says 8:13.
8:13.
8:13,
Okay.
and we've got it. Okay, so that's one way, but have you seen these clocks before too?
Oh, yeah, they've got one in the mess hall.
Yeah, okay. So this is called an analog clock. A little bit different. Analog, yes.
I think I knew her.
Oh, okay. So an analog clock is a little bit different than the digital clock, but it still tells the time too, right? And do you see these lines sticking out?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, well, see, those are actually telling us the time. The shorthand, these are called hands.
Hand?
Yeah.
Clocks have hands?
Clocks have hands, did you know? So pretty amazing stuff here. The shorthand is telling us the hour.
Okay.
And the longhand is telling us the minutes.
Oh.
Okay, so this means that the shorthand is on the 10, so it's during the hour of 10. And then the minutes, you see it's on that 4 right there? Yeah, but here's the tricky part, it's not 10:04. See,
It's not?
it's not.
Oh.
This is saying, because there's these little marks in between those numbers of 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, what do those mean?
Yeah, well, each one of those counts as 1 minute.
Oh.
So a little helpful hint here, as we count the minutes, we can actually count by 5s.
Oh, like we did the money.
Like we've done money, that's
Yeah.
right. So we could go 5, 10, 15, 20. So that means that we're on 10, 20. That's right. So I tell you what, let's practice some of these.
Okay.
You know what we need? Our handy dandy chalkboard.
What?
Chalkboard.
Whoa!
Pretty amazing stuff. All right, let's practice some of these.
Okay, I'm gonna get a pencil.
Okay, you do that. So if we're gonna try and match some of these digital times to an analog clock, let's just work on some of that. So the first one we see is 8 o'clock. So we have to know that the hour is during 8. So that means which hand needs to go on the 8? Remember that the shorthand is telling us the hour. So our shorthand is gonna be on the 8, and anytime that we are on the hour, so 00, our longhand is gonna be straight up and it's on the 12. That's where we're beginning. So this is gonna have the shorthand on the 8, the longhand is on the 12, and that is 8 o'clock. So we've got our first one. Now let's move to the second one. We see 12 o'clock here. Now at 12 o'clock, we know the hour is during 12. So the shorthand has to be on the 12. But the other thing is, remember those minutes? It's on the hour, so the minute hand also has to be on the 12. So this is one where they're both in the same spot, and it's at 12 o'clock. One more on the hour. Let's look at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay, remember the hour is gonna be at 6, so which hand is that? The shorthand. The shorthand moves to the 6, and we have, again, on the hour, so we're at the 12 for the minute hand. Okay, let's do one more here, and if we move to 10:30, now this one's not on the hour, so it's gonna be a little bit different, but the hour hand is still during the 10, so we've gotta move that shorthand is gonna be in between the 10 and 11 because it's getting closer to 11, and then it's 30. So remember that we can use those numbers by 5s, and so if I count by 5s, I see my 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15, keep going, 20, 25, 30, It's down there on the 6, and we're at 10:30. Great work. Tell you what, Blueberry, we've learned some things today, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's great stuff. So we have figured out some differences, digital clocks, analog clocks, and be sure to check out Blueberry's new episodes on Blueberry's Clubhouse.
Oh, thanks, Joel.
You bet.
Can you set that clock for lunchtime?
Oh, let's do that, because we all want to eat. See you soon.
Bye.